The United Arab Emirates has faced a series of attacks from Iran in recent weeks, including missiles and drones targeting critical infrastructure and areas near major cities. Despite this provocation, UAE officials have deliberately avoided launching a military response, choosing instead to focus on defense diplomacy and regional stability. Iran attacks come as part of the ongoing conflict between Iran and the United States and Israel, which escalated earlier in 2026. Tehran claims its strikes are US and Israeli military operations and Iranian territory, including the February 2026 strike on Kirk Island at a strategic oil hub. Iran has also accused Gulf states like the UAE of being complicit with US military activities, although these claims have been denied by Emirati authorities. The UAE has condemned Iran's attacks as violations of international law and its sovereignty. The attacks have targeted sensitive locations including areas near Dubai International Airport, commercial hubs and other infrastructure. The incidents caused temporary disruptions such as flight suspensions, emergency alerts and precautionary safety measures for civilians. However, authorities reported no significant casualties thanks to advanced air defense system and the intercepted many of the missiles and drones. Despite repeated strikes, the UAE has chosen restraint over the several factors explain this cautious approach. Focus on defense, not escalation. The UAE has concentrated on protecting its airspace and citizens rather than launching counter-strikes. Its military and civil defense forces remain on high alert to intercept threats, keeping the country safe without widening the conflict. Avoiding regional war, UAE leaders are wary of being drawn into a full-scale war with Iran, which could destabilize the region. Officials emphasize de-escalation and have repeatedly called for diplomatic solutions rather than military confrontation. Economic and strategic consideration. As a major financial and business hub, the UAE's economy relies on stability. Engaging in a military conflict with Iran could trade, tourism and foreign investment. The UAE aims to maintain international confidence by managing security threats. International support and diplomacy. The UAE has worked through international institutions like the United Nations to condemn Iranian attack and seek diplomatic pressure. This approach strengthens its position internationally and encourages dialogue over direct conflict. In summary, while Iran continues attacks on UAE territory, the UAE's response has been carefully measured. Its focus on defense diplomacy and regional stability reflects a strategic decision to protect its citizens, economy and alliance without escalating the conflict further. Authorities continue to monitor threats closely while urging Iran to cease hostile actions and engage in dialogue to prevent further tensions in the Gulf region. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.